Hi Sarah, how are you?
Hi Tom, I'm good. You?
I'm fine, thanks. What did you do today?
I went to work. What about you?
I worked from home. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Yes, I like it too. What do you do after work?
I usually cook dinner. You?
I read a book or watch TV. Do you cook every day?
Mostly yes. Do you?
Not every day. I sometimes order food. What's your favorite dish?
I love pasta. What's yours?
I like pizza. Do you exercise?
Yes, I run in the mornings. Do you exercise?
I go to the gym. How often do you run?
3 times a week. How often do you go to the gym?
About 4 times a week. Do you like any sports?
Yes, I like soccer. Do you play sports?
I play basketball. Do you watch TV?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite show?
I like Friends. What's yours?
I like Breaking Bad. Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading. Do you?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter. What's yours?
The Lord of the Rings. Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day. Do you?
Yes, I do. Who's your favorite singer?
I love Taylor Swift. Who's yours?
I like Ed Sheeran. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. Do you?
Yes, I play the guitar. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Do you?
Yes, I do. Where was your last trip?
I went to Spain. And you?
I visited Japan. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Bella. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite movie?
Inception. What's yours?
The Matrix. Do you go to the movies often?
Not very often. Do you?
Sometimes, maybe once a month. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Not really. Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online a lot. Do you?
Sometimes, for books and gadgets. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you?
Yes, when I have time. Do you have a favorite recipe?
Yes, I love making lasagna. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making stir fry. Do you bake?
Yes, I bake cookies. Do you bake?
Sometimes, I bake bread. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning. Do you?
Yes, I love coffee. How many cups do you drink a day?
Usually 2. And you?
About 3. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee. You?
Coffee too. Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love chocolate cake. Do you like desserts?
Yes, I like ice cream. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I do. Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, a local Italian place. Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, a Japanese sushi bar. Do you go out often?
Not very often, do you?
Occasionally, maybe once a week. Do you like parties?
Sometimes, do you?
Yes, I enjoy them. Do you have many friends?
A few close friends. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a large friend circle. Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I find it interesting. Do you like social media?
Yes, I use it daily. Do you?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite platform?
Instagram. What's yours?
Twitter. Do you post often?
Yes, I post photos. Do you post often?
Sometimes, mostly updates. Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's comfortable. Do you?
Yes, I like the flexibility. Do you miss the office? Sometimes?
Yes, I miss seeing my colleagues. Do you?
Yes, I miss the social interactions. Do you have a home office?
Yes, a small one. Do you?
Yes, I have a dedicated space. Do you find it productive?
Yes, very. Do you?
Yes, it helps me focus. Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and friendly. Do you?
Yes, it's a nice area. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, we're quite close. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, we often chat. Do you spend a lot of time at home?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, especially in the evenings. Do you have a garden?
Yes, a small one. Do you have a garden?
No, but I have some plants indoors. Do you like gardening?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you like it?
Yes, it's a good hobby. Do you grow vegetables?
Yes, tomatoes and herbs. Do you grow anything?
Just some flowers. Do you like to read in your garden?
Yes, it's very peaceful. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy that too. Do you use a Kindle or paper books?
Paper books. You?
Paper books too. Do you prefer sunny or rainy days?
Sunny days. You?
I like rainy days. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Do you?
Yes, it's very relaxing. Do you swim?
Yes, I love swimming. Do you swim?
Yes, it's my favorite exercise. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I go hiking often. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like camping?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I love it. Do you prefer the mountains or the sea?
The sea. You?
The mountains. Do you like city life or country life?
Country life. You?
City life. Do you enjoy traveling by plane?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, it's convenient. Do you get travel anxiety?
Sometimes. Do you?
Occasionally, but not often. Do you travel alone or with friends?
Usually with friends. You?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Do you plan your trips in detail?
Yes, I like to be prepared, do you?
Yes, I prefer detailed plans. Do you like surprises on trips?
Yes, they can be fun, you?
Please watch next conversation and subscribe.